Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. In maths, today we will revise our previous topics. This lesson is a revision lesson. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to do question number 1. Count and write number and the number names. Look, there are 1 stack of 10. 1 stack of 10 makes 10. So here we write 10. And now write the number name 10. T-E-N 10. Now there are 1 stack of 10 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 1 10 and 2 ones makes 12. So here we write 12. And now write the number name 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Now there are 1, 2. 2 stack of 10 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones makes 22. So here we write 22. Now write the number name 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-O-2 22. Now there are 2 stack of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones makes 24. So here we write 24 and the number name 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y F-O-U-R 4 24. Now there are 1, 2, 3. 3 stack of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones makes 35. So here is 35 and the number name 35. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-I-V-E 5 35. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stack of 10 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones makes 42. So here we write 42 and the number name 42. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-W-O-2 42. Now I'm going to do question number 2. Write the numbers that comes before, after and in between the numbers. First, write numbers that comes before the number. So what number comes before 44? Yes, 43. And before 69, the number comes 68. Before 80, the number comes 79. Before 36, the number comes 35. Before 28, the number comes 27. Numbers that comes after the number. So after 23, the number comes 24. After 14, the number comes 15. After 99, the number comes 100. After 55, the number comes 56. And after 49, the number comes 50. Now write the numbers that comes in between the number. So between 65 and 67, the number comes 66. In between 19 and 21, the number comes 20. In between 70 and 72, the number comes 71. In between 38 and 40, the number comes 39. In between 57 and 59, the number comes 58. Now I'm going to do question number 3. Put greater than and less than sign. The first one is 15 and 13. Now students, you tell me, is 15 greater than 13 or less than? Yes, 15 is greater than 13, so here we put greater than sign. The next one is 5 and 15. Now tell me, is 5 greater than 15 or less than 15? Yes, 5 is less than 15, so here we put less than sign. Now the next one is 20 and 10. Is 20 greater than 10 or less than 10? Yes, 20 is greater than 10, so here we put greater than sign. Is 17 greater than 18 or less than 18? Yes, 17 is less than 18, so here we put less than sign. Is 6 greater than 4 or less than 4? 6 is greater than 4, so here we put greater than sign. Now I'm going to do question number 4. The question is, write the ordinal numbers in words. So here are some ordinal numbers and we have to write these numbers in words. So let's start. What does this number called? Yes, first. So here we write first. F-I-R-S-T, first. This is called second. So here we write second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. This is called third. So here we write third. T-H-I-R-D, third. This is called fourth. So here we write fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. This is called fifth. So here we write fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. This is called sixth. So here is sixth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. This is called seventh. So here is seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. This is called eighth. So here we write eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. This is called ninth. So here is ninth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. This is called tenth. So here is tenth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. So students, that's all about today's revision lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your home task is to practice all these exercises on your rough register. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.